Counter is a device used to count something. The meaning of scintillation is a tiny flash of light. This is a device in which scintillation is counted in terms of current. When nuclear radiations like alpha particles, beta particles, gamma rays are incident on the surface of the phosphor like zinc sulfide, they produce very tiny flashes of light called scintillations. Phosphor is a substance through which when radiation pass they get energized and produce scintillations. These scintillations can be counted in terms of pulse of current with the help of photomultiplier tube. The obtained current suggests the type of radiations. Construction of scintillation counter. It was devised by H. Kalman in 1947. This figure shows the construction of scintillation counter. It mainly consists of three parts: phosphor, photomultiplier tube and electrometer. 1. Phosphor. Phosphor is a substance through which when radiation pass they get energized and produce scintillations. The nuclear radiation strikes such materials and produce tiny flash of light. Phosphor may be inorganic solid, organic solid or organic liquid. Solid organic phosphor like naphthalene or anthracene or organic liquid like terphenyl in xylene can be used. Inorganic phosphor like sodium iodide activated by thallium or zinc sulfide can be used. Phosphor is surrounded by a thin aluminum foil. It acts as a reflector and reflects the tiny flashes to the photomultiplier tube. 2. Photomultiplier tube. It is known as an electron multiplier tube. This is the middle portion of the device. It consists of a long metallic vacuum tube in which a large number of electrodes known as diodes are arranged in the increasing order of potential between cathode and anodes. The surface of each diode is covered by antimony and silver oxide. A typical photomultiplier tube contains 10 to 12 diodes. The diodes produce secondary electrons and thus amplify the current. 3. Electrometer. It is connected to anode of photomultiplier tube and it measures the current. Working of scintillation counter. The radio element emits the nuclear radiations in all directions. These nuclear radiations strike the phosphor. A flash of light, that is scintillation, is produced. These scintillations strike the aluminum foil. This foil directs the scintillations to the photocathode of the photomultiplier tube. It emits the primary electron due to photoelectric effect. These electrons are accelerated towards the first diodes. It strikes the surface of the diodes and ejects 2-3 secondary electrons from it. The secondary electrons are also strike other diodes and again multiply. With 10 diodes, the change of original photoelectron is multiplied by n raised to 10 times, where n is equal to number of electrons ejected by diodes. The number of electrons may be the order of 10 raised to 5. Finally, all the electrons were collected at anode to generate a current. The pulses are counted and registered by electrometer. Advantages of scintillation counter. 1. It is simple to operate. 2. Gamma rays can be measured effectively. Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for notification of new videos.